Hi, everybody! It's me!
Goku? See? I told you guys!
King Kai's letting me talk to you from here in the other world, so listen up. Lately, I've been thinking about why the Earth is always in danger, and I realized that most of the guys who attacked it were after me. Think about it. Frieza, Cell, the androids.
It's an interesting point.
I guess, but where's he going with this?
Well, I think it would be better for the Earth if I didn't come back this time. King Kai agrees with me.
Sort of.
As a Saiyan baby, I was sent to Earth to destroy it. And though all my life I've tried to do the opposite, it's kinda like I've been fulfilling that mission all along. So yeah, I'm gonna stay here now. I really don't mind. King Kai says I can get special treatment because I saved the Earth and all. I'll be able to keep my body, and from what I hear, there's lots of interesting people to meet. It'll be fun.
Another adventure.
King Kai could ask one of the dragons to revive him, but he's agreed to show me around here for a while and keep me company. I guess what I'm trying to say is, I really appreciate your feelings towards me, but you'll have to find something else to wish for. This is my home now. Gohan's so strong now, I have nothing left to teach him.
But that doesn't mean I don't need you!
You all better take notes of everything that happens in your life, because when they're through, I'll want to hear all about them. Until then, goodbye.
Goku.